Good afternoon, and how delightful it is to be able to send you a Thanksgiving greeting via video. I hope that each of you celebrate Thanksgiving in a very meaningful way this year, and that you will be with friends or family, whoever you would like to be with at this very special time. Our world is in great need of prayer and commitment to justice and peace. Especially we want to remember our brothers and sisters so far away in Iraq who have been martyred over the past month. Please remember them in your prayers, and remember all those who have died in this special month of November. May they rest in peace, and may they know that we are still united with them wherever we are. And on a more happier note, happy Thanksgiving.